So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a story by your page and how to add a link to your page story. So right now I have opened my page on Facebook on my cell phone, and from here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tap on this plus by the profile picture. And right here, when you tap on that, you should have 3 or 4 options. So I'm going to tap on add story. So one tap on add story, you should choose an image from your camera roll. So I'm going to choose this image, for example, and I'm going to actually make it smaller, and I'm going to place it over here. And right here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a link to this story. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to tap on buttons right here. So just one tap on it, and right here you should be able to add your custom link. However, if you are not able to add the custom link, that means you don't have 100 likes on your page. So you should have at least 100 likes in order to enable this feature. So I'm going to enter my YouTube channel link. So to make sure that if you have added the correct link or not, what you should do is that you should tap on visit link right here. So just visit the link and make sure that your link is correct. And after you do that, you just tap on, you close this, and right here at the top right, you tap on add right here. So just one tap on add, and right here we have added a link, and now we will ask people to swipe up and visit our link. So to do that, what you do is that you tap on stickers right here, then tap on GIFs right here, GIFs right here. So tap on that one, and right here I'm going to search for a swipe up GIF. So swipe up, and I'm going to basically, maybe use this one right here. So just one tap on it, and I'm going to place it right over here because this is the place that people swipe up. So I'm going to place it over here. So now it's ready. So we are going to tap on share to story at the bottom right here. So I'm going to share my story, and this is it. So we have created a basic story, and we have added a swipe up link to our story. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.